Hi guys, today I'll be sharing a strategy and indicator which I'm using for my algo trading. So basically this strategy is based on the strategy which I previously created in the streak. I was getting a lot of false signals, so I created this strategy in the trading view using Pine script. So in this video I'll be showing you the indicator, how to use the indicator, and how to take the long and short positions using this, and I'll be showing the back tested results by using this strategy. Okay, so first we'll be adding the indicator. So this is the indicator, OP indicator version 1. So guys, so this indicator works best in the 30 minutes time frame. I have back tested it, and I am this is my time frame which I'm using for my algo trading system. So if you see here, the signals will be taken based on this green arrows and red arrows. If you see here on October 27th, in this candle, you would have taken the trade in this candle, and you would have closed the trade in this red candle at 10:15 in the next day, Friday. That is, on next Friday. So this arrow mark will not come after the candle close. This will come in between the candle in the candle itself. For example, this arrow mark would have come somewhere here in this candle while it was forming. So you would have captured this points as well from here to here. You don't need to wait until the candle close in real time. The same as for closing. For example, if this is the exit candle, you need not wait until the candle closes. You will be exited somewhere here itself, somewhere around 17807, because this indicator works in real time. It calculates the data based on the OHLC, that is open, high, low and close data. So here in this indicator settings, you have percentage and low time frame. You can set the percentage. For example, I tested the best percentage is 30. So if you have you set the percentage to 30, okay, here you would have entered in this candle and you would have exited in this candle. Likewise, if you have entered here, you would have exited in this candle, I guess. Here there is no red arrow mark at on 31st October, because the candle has closed already, and this data is based on the closed candle data. With this candles which closed already, so it will not show the red mark when even though the candle moved this much. For example, the low of this candle is 17940. If you see here, if you see here, I'll place the cursor on this candle, 17940, but it has closed at 17947, because that's why it's not showing the red arrow. But in live, you would have exited here. Likewise, you can see for selling opportunities. For example, if you would have sold here at 27th October at 9:45 in this candle, you would have sold somewhere here, and you would have exited somewhere in this candle. There is no green signal, as I told just now. This candle high is 17706, but close is 17697, because the close is because the close value is calculated now, because this is the historic data, because this market is already closed and it's not live, it's not showing. But in live, you would have exited in this candle, so you would have captured this much movement in this here. Same here, and you can see like other if you have entered here, you would have exited in this candle, and if you have entered long in this candle, you would have exited at this candle, like that. So the probability of this strategy is more. I'll show you the back tested result as well. You can change the percentage to 20 also. It will give like more signals. For example, more quicker entry and quicker exit as well. So if you make to 20, see here, it would have entered here and you would have exited here itself. The same way again, you would have entered short here and you would have exited here. So you would have captured both side movements, CE as well as P. Long and short both. The same way it goes for here. You can use this strategy in carry forward. Instead of intraday, you can carry forward the trades, so you would have, it will give like little more positive ROI, little more greater ROI. So guys, you can I will share this indicator. You can just mail me, if you can ping me on my mail ID, which is here. So I will give the trial access for you for 1 week. You can check this strategy or the indicator by yourself, and you can if you want, you can just get the indicator from me. So this is a premium indicator. If you want, you can just purchase it. Okay, we'll go to strategy. Now we have seen the indicator, how we should take the trades and how we should exit the trades. One more thing before that, here we have low time frame. You can change this to like a default is 3, where I have tested it, and best is 3. So the best percentage is 30 and the low time frame is 3. If you want, you can change it to 15 minutes. For example, if you change, there will be a slight change in the arrow marks. Likewise, if you want, you can, for example, if I make it to 120, okay, there is a slight change in the data. So you can use anything, but I would suggest you to go with 3 minutes. So it as per the backtested data, it has best returns. And you can add 2 OP indicators. For example, now if I add one more OP indicator, one you can use for entry. For example, let's say we'll use 30 for entry, so a lot of fake signals will be filtered, and 20 for exit. Now here, for example, here in this candle, you would enter based on the 30 OP indicator and exit based on the 20. For example, while entering, you will get a signal from OP indicator 30 percentage. Using that, you can enter. So whenever you get OP indicator 20, do not enter. You can enter based on 20. So it will have more probability of the trade, like for a positive trade. While exiting, you can exit based on this OP indicator 20. What this does is, like, if you exit based on 30, you lose a little bit of more 10% of profit. Let's say, for example, in this candle on 27th October 1445, you would have entered here based on OP indicator 30, and if you use OP indicator 30 for exit, you would have exited here. So again, you would have lost this much profit. But if you use OP indicator 20, see here, in this candle itself, you would have exited. So again, this much profit you would have saved. So I would suggest use two OP indicators. One is 30 and 20. 30 is for entering and 20 is for exiting. You can change the colors here as well. You can change the colors for buy arrow and sell arrow, and all the things here. Okay, yes, now I'll be showing you the strategy, backtesting the backtested results. So I'll hide this. So this strategy shows you where to enter, where to exit. For example, see, I have added the strategy. It has taken the trade here and exited the trade here. Same way, it has taken the trade, long trade, and exited the here. Again, it gives some this strategy also have some drawbacks. It will, while market is range bound, it will give like signals which is not a good probability to take. So this also has some drawdown. You have to take that because everything comes with pros and cons. Okay guys, now here I have strategy where I can backtest. Now the data I have selected is from 2022 to 2022 October this year. This option you will get only if you have a pro plan. If you don't have a pro plan, you will not get this option. For people who don't have a pro plan, I have created here itself in this strategy. If you click on settings, here itself you can find the inputs. You can give all this from date to date, from month to month. You can make use of this, and you can generate the report. For people who have pro plan, you can test it here itself. So I'll test it here. Okay, so here if you see, now we are on the Nifty spot. Nifty spot. So it is taking based on the USD. So according to this, now we are in profit of 6,490 USD. You can multiply it into 6,490 into 80 or 82, whatever the current USD price. Okay, I'll for showing it in INR, I'll go to Nifty futures. Nifty futures, okay. I'll generate the report. Okay, so if you see here, the profit for this 10 months is 3,98,000, and percent profitability is 39%, 13.2, and max drawdown is 77. Yes, guys, this has a maximum like lot of drawdown, but in long term it gives a good profit. And one more thing, this backtested results, this backtesting result, this profit in this backtesting result will be is lesser, but in real time it will give more profit than this, because I assured, because here in backtesting, the trade, this trades entry is calculated once the candle is closed, but in our real time, trades will be taken during the candle formation itself. For example, here the long trade is taken once the candle is closed, but in our live trade we would have entered in between the candle itself, so we would have captured few more points, as well as shorting. Here also it has exceeded once candle has closed. If you see here, there is a red arrow here, but we would have exited before this candle is closed, I mean, like in between the candle itself, so we would have captured those points as well. So if in this back testing, it is taken once the candle is closed. If we consider this, that profit will be more than this this net profit, and this max drawdown will reduce more, will be reduces at least to some 10 to 20%, and I mean net profit will be increasing. Okay guys, so this is the indicator strategy. You can back test it for any other indexes or any other stocks. If you want this indicator or strategy access, you can just mail me. Here is my mail ID, you can ping me on that. I'll give access for 1 week. You can monitor for 1 week the indicator and the strategy as well. You can backtest with other stocks and indexes. If you are okay with that, and if you want this indicator, you can just get it from me. And guys, one more thing about update on algo trading system. I am working on that. It's almost like 70% completed, like 30% has to be done. Once that is done, people with zerodha account can be using this trading algo trading bot, but they can be using only like this strategy which I am using. So I can, if you are interested, I can set it up with this strategy for you, and you can use this the same trades, whatever I take, your account will be taken. I mean, whatever trades I take, you will also will be taking same. Whatever profit I get per month, you will be getting. Lot size based on your capital will be decided. If you are interested in this bot, please submit a form, which I will be adding it in my description. Please submit your interest, please fill your details, and submit the form. Once the bot is developed, I will be contacting and I will be sending the details. You can then, if you are interested, you can opt to that. You can subscribe for that. And for this the live profit PNL of this trading bot for this October month, I'll be sharing by tomorrow, so you can have a a view on that, like how the trades were taken, like how what is the brokerage and what is the profit of this October month, everything. Okay guys, this is it for this video. If you have any questions or if any doubt on this indicator or strategy, you can always comment in this video, or you can just mail me. My mail ID is here, as well as